Escape the chains, unraveling the meaning. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, escape the chains. This phrase is not only vivid in its imagery but also rich in its metaphorical significance. Whether you're a student, a language enthusiast, or simply curious, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your comprehension and expression in English. So, let's dive in. Escape the chains is a metaphorical phrase. To understand it better, let's break it down. The word escape means to break free or get away from something. Chains, in this context, symbolize something that restrains or binds. When put together, escape the chains refers to the act of freeing oneself from constraints or limitations. These constraints can be physical, but more often, they're metaphorical, like personal fears, societal norms, or mental barriers. The phrase has roots in historical and cultural contexts. Chains have been used throughout history as physical restraints, often in prisons or slavery. Therefore, the phrase can evoke strong images of fighting for freedom and overcoming oppression. In literature and movies, escaping the chains is a powerful motif representing liberation and the triumph of the human spirit. In modern times, we often use this phrase in a figurative sense. For example, someone breaking free from their inhibitions, overcoming addiction, or leaving a restrictive job can be described as escaping the chains. Let's look at some examples. After years of self-doubt, she finally escaped the chains of insecurity. The revolution was about the people escaping the chains of tyranny. Using this phrase in your conversations or writing can add depth and emotion. It's particularly effective in expressive contexts like storytelling, motivational speeches, or personal narratives. Remember, it's a strong phrase, so it's best used when you want to emphasize significant change or liberation. I hope this exploration of the phrase, escape the chains, has been enlightening. Such phrases enrich our language and allow us to express complex ideas with vivid imagery. Keep practicing and incorporating them into your language use, and you'll find your English becoming more colorful and expressive. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.